It's a big day today. Did you see it coming?
I have no reason not to see it coming. And अगर एक कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा कि मतलब हम जिस इवेंट में जा रहे हैं उसमें मेडल लेके आना है तो फिर बच्चे क्या करेंगे. Definitely I was confident and by God grace we got this medal and I'm more happy because मीनू ने मेडल जीता है देश के लिए पहला मेडल और मेरे ख्याल से गर्ल्स में शायद शूटिंग में पहला ओलंपिक मेडल. History is made and I'm really proud of her and I'm really happy.
You spoke about the training regimen. She also spoke about the strict regimen that you prepared and the hard taskmaster that you are. How much is that required for the pinnacle of sport, which is the Olympics?
See, for any level of sport, the discipline has to be there, and there has to be you have to be on your toes no matter. You cannot take a small competition as you can be at ease. No, it doesn't happen. You have to have attitude of giving 100% in every competition, and that's the way she does. And it's not that difficult with her because she herself is a very hard task player. She do it very honestly.
Yes, and sir, about the training regime, on the mental side of it, if you can talk about the work that you put on. Obviously, she has spoken about the inspiration from Geeta, but just being a better person, better human being, all those.
That also from Geeta.
Yeah, but you made her realize that. So if you can share something on that.
See, I do read a few things, but this thing definitely helps because you have all the answers. And these young generation, they come with a lot of questions, and if you try to answer them in their way, they will not understand. And I think a spiritual way is much better and much easier to convince them. And especially with her, you don't need to really argue on anything. And she do things in different way because if you tell her, then she will give her 100% no matter what.
Sir, how does a shooter's mind evolve, let's say from a teenage, because she won the Youth Olympics and multiple medals as a teenager, but now 22. How does a shooter's or generally an athlete's mind evolve, and is that really a factor in achieving excellence?
Obviously, because this is not something small and you need to have a very mature mind. And she got mature very early because after winning Youth Olympic, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, and then last Olympic where she could not perform, so that also come very handy because the experience she had and that fall she had, she was not giving anything less than 100% to no matter about even eating habits, which is आजकल के बच्चे उतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, but yes, that helps in every way.
So do you think this performance will inspire more female shooters? Already shooting is very popular in India, but this will even lift the profile of the sport even more.
Definitely it will because when a child sees some girl doing so well, so definitely there will be a lot of, especially girl child will be, even the parents will get involved because you break a ice and then uske baad then people will follow you.
She likes to push her limits, like you said. So for the rest of the events,
yes, no choice.
You can't predict shooting, but still,
we'll give 100%. Rest.
And so, lastly, I wanted to ask you, so the social service side of her personality, that also you played a part. Do you think that is also important for an athlete?
Obviously, if you're not able to talk, if you're not able to be in gathering, a press conference or in a function, then what's the point of achievement? You have to grow in every field, every aspect of life.
And if you can talk about the examples of social service she has done, you have done collectively all around the world, whether it's Dehradun or Luxembourg,
Delhi, or everywhere. There are a lot you can do within India, and you feel that आपके karma bhi theek karne ke liye, you need to do all these things. So I believe more in that because I do it myself, and definitely these things really help.
And so you talk about your relationship with the rapper, with the Guru Shishya bond. It seems very special. Yesterday you were crying after the qualification. Today you just left out the final saying your job was done. What's so special about this relationship?
I have my own reasons. I am like that.
If you can, sir, throw some light on that.
I like my space, and this is not what I look for. So my work is done. So you'll not see me after that.